Hey, little Hilly. You, puppy sitting? You puppy sitting your great niece? Or is it grand niece? Oh, whatever. Uncle Harley watching you? And my camera's gonna start acting up now? Aleu and Harley need to have some bonding time, if you ask me. Zoom, zoom, zoom on Harley. Hi, Harley! Hi! Really close view of Aleu. You see Harley? Come on, guys, let's go on a walk. Come on, Aleu. Come on, Harley. Poor Harley. You see, Aleu doesn't really spend as much time with Harley as she does with Faith, so they need to spend some time together. You should see how annoyed Harley gets with them. He puts up with their antics, they keep on growling and barking, and then Harley's like, that's enough, and he starts barking, and he's like, getting all mad, and Harley. So Harley's doing better than he did, because if you recall last week's Sunday video, he kinda had a limp. You didn't see him with it, but he had one, but he's doing way better now. I mean, Harley doesn't really get to star in the videos as much as Faith or Lou, so he's gonna walk on top of this. I mean, like, anytime you really do see Harley in a video lately, he's basically just laying down, taking it easy. This dog right here has surely changed his life. I mean, Faith did too, but he got used to Faith, but now she has come and she has seriously altered his life now. Right, Hilly? Did Aleu alter your life? It's so cute when she tries to play with him. I mean, she tries, and then Harley doesn't really play. He just barks, maybe stamps his paws a little bit. That's all he does. Aleu's 3 months old now, actually. She turned 3 months old yesterday. And tomorrow we're supposed to have a total solar eclipse. Come here, Aleu. Hi, Aleu. How are you? Hi. Hey, Harley. Little Hilly. That's his nickname, Little Hilly. What you got? I know you've got something. Hi, Aleu. Look at her beautiful hazel eyes. Nope, well now you can't see them. Come here, honey. Hazel eyes. You know, that reminds me of a song. Here I am once again. I'm torn into pieces. Can't deny, can't pretend. Just like you were the one. Broken down deep inside. But you won't get to see the tears I cry behind these hazel eyes. Yeah, that Harley's watching her. Ugh, bugs flying by my head. Oh, uh-oh. Bless you. Oh, Harley. Hi. How are you? Hi, Harley. Hi, Harley. Oh, look at him. Look at how cute you are. Gonna be 13 in September. Have no idea when in September, though. If I had to guess, I would say he was born in either mid-September or late September. Is that what you would think that too, Harley? I'll take that as a yes. So if you guys are wondering where Faith is in the house right now relaxing since she and Aleu played too rough. Probably should have clarified that at the beginning of the video. Right, Hill? Little Hilly? What the heck's Aleu barking at? What are you barking at? Hi. Hi, beautiful girl. Hi, beautiful girl. Look at your hazel eyes. Look at those eyes. I mean, isn't that unique? My little Aleu baby. And my little Harley. Even if he's not really mine. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is so adorable. They're laying Aww. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh. You two are adorable. Synchronize. I realized that I really like to use my zooming in and zooming out feature. I'm probably gonna record a video with Faith too. Maybe a little later. Maybe when Aleu takes a nap, I'll record a video of Faith. Classic Harley. You know what? I'm gonna go sit with them. Uh-oh. What, my camera? Or do you want to play with Harley? What do you think, Harley? Harley! Hey! Little Hilly! Hi! Hi, buddy. Hi, my little buddy. We're not so little anymore. Look at you two getting along. See, this is good bonding. Right, Aleu? Right, Harley? Yeah, you're a good boy, yeah. You're such a good boy. Yeah. There are pigeons up there. It's hilarious. Aleu was chasing one the other time. Oh, she can see them. She sees the pigeons. Oh my gosh. Cool. Oh, there they go. Oh, down he goes. Good dog, Harley. Good dog. Here's one last pigeon. Can you see it? It's right up there. Yeah. Look into his eyes. Yeah, you and Fei Fei have brown eyes. And Aleu over there has hazel eyes. She's got something. You happy dog? Happy dogs. Yeah, you happy. Yeah, my little Hilly. Oh yeah, you like that. Oh, now you got itch? You got that confused look, Harley. Oh. Got something, honey. There you go. Oh, you gonna get up? Oh, you're gonna eat a leaf. Harley is still silly. Oh, where are you guys going? Good girl, Aleu. Good girl. Oh, little Hilly, ready to go inside? Ready to go inside? Let's see who gets up the stairs first, Harley or Aleu. And they're off. Go, Harley. Go, Aleu. You want me to come in the house first and then you guys go up? Come on. Ooh, Harley's taking a lead. Aleu, you better start climbing. Come on. Go ahead. Hey, Aleu, can you move your butt out of the way? Oh, it's a close race. And the winner is... Oh, I don't know. I think I'm going to have to call that one a tie. Okay, let's go see what Feifei's up to.